Go ahead, man.
Hey, this is Christopher Estevez. This is one of the best class I ever heard about. I just stumbled upon it when I was buying some materials at a local electrical supply shop. It was the best investment I ever made. I paid $25,000 to go to school to learn electrical, and I came out of there without even knowing how to navigate the code book. I paid $1,000 for this class, and I'm very confident that I could almost find any question you give me in this code book. It was a very successful class. I highly recommend Harold, and that'll be the best decision you'll ever make in your life. $1,000 and you involve and you upgrade. You know, you can make that in one job, and then just one payment. You get 10 weeks or 8 weeks, and you really become a master electrician. So I thank you, Harry, for having me in class, and everybody here having their inputs and helping each other out.
Oh my gosh. Thank you for that. Yo, that was something special.
Yep.
That was something special. Listen, I appreciate that. That is my job, to fill in every gap, every hole that have been left open on your path to me. I want to close as many gaps as I can. I hope you guys know and feel and understand I am invested in your success. So when you hit that finish button on that Pearson VUE testing software, when it says pass, right, I'm right there with you. I gave you everything I got. There is not one tip, not one trick I withheld from you guys. I gave you everything I got, and I hope I conveyed that. All right? All of you guys have been great. You have made my Wednesday night so special. I don't know what I'm going to do now, right? I don't know what I'm going to do. What am I going to do without Mr. Roundsville? What am I supposed to do? Right? You're going to go back to having a quiet, peaceful Wednesday night. No Harry screaming in your ear, acting all goofy, pushing you through those chapters and articles. You're going to have to figure it out. But you know I'm just a text or a phone call away. I'm right here. All right? It has been a pleasure. And please keep me in the loop with every pivot. Let me know. I'm right there with you. But I do have one more thing to show you. Hold on. I do have one more thing to show you. I know Kyle's probably seen it already. Let me show you. I got to show you my new